Veronica, and I am back with another video. I wanted to see how you guys were doing. How are you feeling? I hope all is well. In today's video, I will be doing an unboxing I had purchased from Jujubee's warehouse sale. I wanted to show you what I got. If you are interested in watching what I purchased from Jujubee's warehouse sale, then stay tuned. Okay, so this is like an official unboxing. I haven't opened anything other than taking my information off the outside of the box. So far, so good. So the first thing that is on top is, oh, this is cute. This is the Grab and Go in Fantasy Paradise. This is my first Grab and Go. I actually got this for free. They had a Pink Lady group chat, and a part of, if you signed up for it, you received a swag bag with different discount codes, and one of the discount codes was if you purchase $50 or more, you were able to get a free Grab and Go. So this is the one I have in Fantasy Paradise. Let me take it out of the plastic. So this is what it looks like. It is very, very cute. I don't think you can go wrong with the print placement on this. I do have a Fantasy Paradise Passy Pod, but that was all that I have in this print. So this is my first Grab and Go. This is so cute. Look at that zipper pull. This little character right here. Come on now. So cute. I'm not sure about which one of the kids will get this. We'll figure that out later. The next item that I purchased that was on sale is another Be Ready. This print is called Sakura at Dusk. It's their like sister print to the Sakura Swirl. And this is very pretty. I decided to get this to keep my makeup in. The other one that I'm using, I have it in I have one in, what print is it? But I'm using that one currently to hold my camera and my mini tripod. And last but not least, one of the good finds that I have is this Jujubee mini backpack. And this is just super cute. This is really soft. It almost feels real, like real leather. It's a really nice bag. Okay. And this is the Rose Gold hardware. I have it all nicely covered up. Okay, this is a nice size. I can definitely see myself using that. And it has like these little, the same kind of like embossing that it has on the tag. It's actually inside. I don't know if it shows up on the camera. I didn't order from the warehouse sale until the final day. They actually extended it one more day. So that's the day that I actually ordered this. The first day I missed out on a couple of things that I really wanted. I wanted a Beast set and what was it? Camp Toki, but those sold out really fast. I wasn't quick enough to get one of those, so I waited out for a few days to see if they were going to put anything else on there. And I had been eyeballing this for a while, but I wasn't sure if I was going to like it or not. But then when I saw that they had this up there for a really, really, really good price, I decided to go on ahead and give it a try, and I'm glad that I did. It's very, very pretty. But this is my warehouse haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I will be back with more videos, and I hope you guys are feeling well. You guys stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.